Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to merge two documents in Canva. This is a super useful trick for combining presentations, ebooks, or any multi-page projects into one file. Let's get started. First, open the Canva design that contains the pages you want to copy. Keep both documents open, one for copying and one for pasting, so the process is smooth. Inside your first design, switch to grid view. You can do this by clicking the grid icon in the top right corner. This gives you a clear view of all your pages at once. Now, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and click on the pages you want to include. You can select or deselect pages until you have exactly what you need. With your pages selected, press Ctrl and C if you're on a PC, or Command and T if you're on a Mac. The pages are now copied and ready to paste. Next, switch over to your second Canva document, the one where you want the pages to go. Make sure it's open in another tab so you can move quickly between both projects. Now paste the pages by pressing Ctrl and V on a PC or Command and V on a Mac. The pages will appear in your new document, ready for you to rearrange or edit. Once the pages are in, you can drag them around to adjust the order or make small edits as needed. Canva will save your changes automatically. And that's it. You've successfully merged two Canva documents into one cohesive project. This simple process makes managing multi-page designs faster and more efficient. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more Canva tips.